Worked up an appetite. So what's this for me? What's
Aldereta.
this? Aldereta.
Yes.
Yeah, it's not Italian. It sounds
No, it's
Italian.
Filipino.
And you've got yourself a Caesar salad.
Carabao.
And what better way to end the day than to just sit back and watch the waves roll in.
Story goes that every generation has one. Some damn soul cursed to ride the earth.
I am on my own in Sabang. And what happens in Sabang stays in Sabang. Mel's gone off to get herself some a manicure or something, so I'm just having a walk about, seeing what's going on. Try not to get into any trouble. Seriously though, what is not to love about this place? Huh? What is not to love? It's quite something. We're going to take a walk along that side now. It's got all the Westerners trying to bang ladyboys, look. They probably don't know they're ladyboys. They find that out later, after they pay. So it seems Sabang is diving during the day and muff diving during the night. Look at that.
Sweet?
It's nice.
Or nice. They have sweet mango.
Yeah. Filipino spaghetti and meatballs, garlic bread, and
Kare.
curry. And what a backdrop. Huh? What a backdrop. Here we go. In a beautiful pool with a beautiful view. Ah, Christmas Eve doesn't get better than this. Can't believe it. Whew. There's Mel in the hammock. Nice. Yeah, so we're in White Beach, just up the road from where we're staying, and it's just another little touristy area. It was quite nice, very pleasant. There's a cool little coffee bar shop back there with motorbikes and Vespers and everything, so I'm going to go and have a coffee in there or something. So not a bad way to spend Christmas. That's a big one, eh? Yes. Yeah, that's huge. Wow. Yeah, but half an hour's enough. You get bored otherwise, there's nothing to do out there. Look at them still buzzing about out there, being flipped around with sharks chasing them.
Hi, madam. Talking to me the sister here. We have people. Yeah, see you later. Madam, di lang mo ginawa na yan. Makanda ko sa inyo.
He smells it. All he can do is smell it. You can't get it. as a little change of plan, as all plans seem to change, we're actually upgrading the bike. So that small bike we just had, the little Brat, whatever it is, the little dirt bike scrambler thing, we had that for a couple of days, and now we're upgrading to a 650. I think it's a Versys we're getting. It's all panniered up, and we're going to have that for the next couple of, well, 5 days I think, and we're going to do the Mindoro Loop on that. So we're going to go around the whole island. So there's something in Mindoro called the Mindoro Loop, and it's a road that goes around the whole of the island following the coastline. So that is going to be very exciting, because even Mel hasn't been to that side of the island. So you got one side which is this side, which is Oriental Mindoro, the other side is Occidental Mindoro, and it's a bit more sort of rural there, a lot more jungly and less developed on that side. So that's the west side of the island. So yeah, that's going to be good. That's the plan. So we're going to be picking up the new bike and exchanging the smaller bike for the bigger bike very shortly. Alright, we just got the phone call, so we're going to go and see the new bike, the 650, with all the luggage to get us around this little island, the Mindoro Loop, which is quite famous amongst bikers. A lot of people come from Manila and all the other islands, Cebu, to do the loop. So that's what we're going to go and see now. See the big bike. We just got all the manions going off back to the villages. Anyway. Let's have a look. There you go. Fuck, that's a big one. Yeah, that'll do. Oh, it's got acrophobic. Yeah, it's good, isn't it? Quite hard to do the job. Got the crash bars on it, got the fog lights, 2 sets of fog lights. This thing's gonna sound fucking insane. Acrophobic. Just lost my hat. Doing a little test ride. So yeah, just lost my hat as I was riding along doing a little fucking test ride in flip-flops. I never ride in flip-flops, that is a big no-no, but I needed to just test the bike quickly. Alright, so just getting the logistics done. So it's swapping out this bike for the bike across the road. Look at this, it's just bike heaven. Not really big bike heaven, but it's just how to get around. Look at this truck, pretty nice. Mitsubishi, big old bull bar on the front. Nicely done. Nice little carry roof rack. Nice, look at that view, eh? Ah, what a view, it's like paradise. Question is, could I live here? Could I live here? Could you live here? Write it in the comments down below. Could you live here? Because I'm making up my mind as we speak. I think I could live here. just had to stop here because this is beautiful. Got all the twisties that we're doing on the bike, and it's just all mountain passes, and then you come across this, which is a very famous landmark. Stunning. A very famous waterfall. Absolutely stunning. Just in the middle of nowhere on the mountain road. Area over there. Beautiful. Down here, little oasis, tropical oasis, just in the stream. Absolutely.
Babayad mo sa guys. Babayad. Gusto ka dyan sa akin. Ano mo gusto ka pausa?
Huh? Yeah. That's stunning.
You're looking at